Okay, let's show off some portraits of men I've drawn.
Not okay. And tell me what.
Yes, those are very beautiful portraits. I can see that you have learned, Vincent. And then there's this one.
Never said you felt.
This guy with the camera.
Stay strong and fake.
This guy's meditating. See? Ta-da!
But I've known you too long.
You do our name honor. My name Vincent. Yours is Vincent. We both can draw very good. A strong guy. Muscles.
To gray.
He's a really relaxed guy. I wish I was as relaxed as he is. This guy with the... whatever he's holding, I don't know. Gandalf the Grey. It's not really Gandalf. But it kinda looks like him.
Fade away, cause
Why are you constantly bragging about your images? I don't do that either. This guy.
something's going wrong with all the
This very frustrated man.
anything the same way, gotta build up.
Jacob. Surprised he doesn't have his shirt off. We are the men in black. Hey, look at this. I drew a portrait. Nice, eh? Very good, I am making progress. Sacre bleu, la vache. What am I going to do with him? I think I'm getting better. I do not know anymore. Pretty good, eh? Yeah. I am asleep. I'll come back later.